This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by naming a clear goal, summary, outline, or flashcards, so Chatgpt knows the end product. Once you've picked sources, paste 3 short excerpts or list timestamps. This gives context and prevents hallucination. Then tell the model your preferred length, 50, 100, or 200 words, and any tone like formal or casual. Make sure to include key terms to keep in the notes. This first step sets boundaries and saves time on revision. Next, you build a layered prompt. Assign Chatgpt a role, state the task, and list constraints like max bullets or keywords to include. For example, ask for 5 bullet headings, then 3 short bullets each. This structures the output. Once you get results, compare 2 variations to pick the clearest version. If detail is missing, request expansion on a specific bullet. Keep prompts concise but specific. That way your revision loop is fast and predictable. To finish, consolidate chosen bullets into a single page or flashcard set, and then copy-edit for simplicity and memory hooks. Once done, add mnemonics or 3 quick examples to boost recall. Make sure to check any factual claims against your original sources. If something is incorrect, reprompt with exact source lines and tell the model what to change. This corrective prompt reduces errors. One troubleshooting tip: when answers drift, restrict outputs to quoted source material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.